Click on MVAT module. Now we'll create the form 235. Click on module information for dealer creation. Write the name of the business. MVAT TIN number, CST TIN number. Select the business constitution. Select the nature of business. For form number 235, select the notified oil dealer. Occupancy status of principal, place of the business. Select it is rented or owned. Give the address, city, phone number, email ID. You can select the commodity details. Click on save. The dealer name form 235 is created. You can add the business place by clicking on address business place. Managing persons information, proprietors information, partners information, directors information, principal officers information, signatory information. Give the name of the signatory person, designation, email ID, mobile number. You can enter the bank information. This bank information will be used for the payment of tax liability, and this information will be also be used for the various statutory forms where the bank details are to be shown. Select the bank name, branch, select the account type, account number, BSR code, MICR code. Now we'll move for data entries. Click on seller oblique purchases summary. Select the form 235. You need to select the type of the dealer, financial year, return type, period and nature of return. Click on computation of net turnovers of sales for sales entry. Give the respective amounts and the respective years. Click on tax payable under MVAT. Click on computation of purchases eligible for set off. You can give the details of tax payable or turnover of purchases and tax paid for set off purpose. Here you can enter details of the purchases which are not eligible for set off. This screen is all about the set off and its adjustment according to the provision of MVAT Act. You can e-file this form 235. Ensure that there are no errors in the return. After correcting all the errors, your file will be validated and the message of the successful validation will be shown. This means the new return is ready for e-filing. Thank you.